Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are group 412 presentation about Adidas Store. This is web page, consists HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And before we go presentation, I want to introduce my team and myself. Myself is Alex Zarodeli and Izan Karilanam and Zaidan Ilham. So what to next? What is about Adidas Store? Adidas Store is a website where you can buy shoes. Adidas Store provide the best shoes for all your needs. There are various kinds, like a size, suitable every moment, and comfortable to wear when exercising. At Adidas Store, you can find a wide variety of tops, running size, skateboarding shoes, and many more. All you want it. Okay.
This is a register page. On register page, we have for input, name, email, password, and confirm password. And we have one button to trigger the register function on the script, and one href to link to the login page if already have an account. Next page is login page. On login page, we have to input email and password, and we have one button to trigger the function login on the script, and one href to link to the register page if doesn't have account. Next is register and login page script. First, we create a default account for login page, and we create two functions, register clear and login clear, to clear the login and register input. And we create function validate string to validate string from input user, so user cannot enter a number. Next is we create function register, and then we get input value and put it on variable. Next, we check if all field is null. If true, we return a notification alert, all field required. And then check if email match with the default email. If true, we'll return notification alert, email is already registered. Next is check if confirm password doesn't match with password. If it true, we'll return notification alert, confirm password doesn't match with your password. And if doesn't match with the default account and pass all the validation, we'll send a notification alert, thanks for registration, clear the register input, and go to home page. Next is login page script. We create function login. Next, get input value and put on variable. Check if email or password is null. If it's true, return confirm notification alert, email and password is required. And then check if email doesn't match with default email. If it's true, return notification alert, email does not exist. Next is check if password doesn't match with the default password. If it's true, we'll return notification alert, password does not match. And if match with the default account and pass the author validation, we'll send notification alert, welcome to Adidas Store, and clear the login input and go to home page.
Okay, this is a home page. There is a big image to here, and above is Adidas login and register. This is div, and image, and you can log in and register if you want something buy this shoes. And then we have to best item to, yes, there's 4 item to about shoes. This consists sepatu Ozra Ultra Boss 50 DNA shoes, sepatu Ozra GM, and sepatu Carly Claws X90. That's the best item, and this we using div again to margin is 0. And let's start common items. These common items is the consists 12 items, and we can go to detail it if you wanted to buy something or you wanted to see the description. Yeah, another thing that's about this all item. Okay, so yeah, this is a footer for the web page or home page. We have to description to help you many people to get help about us or something. We have also social media. Let's see the Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. That's, yeah, you can tell something or you have a problem to, you have to tell this Adidas store through the Instagram, Facebook, and Adidas.
So the next is detail page. On this page there is a display image, sidebar, and the related image. There's also a header and footer, but for the header I believe we did not display it on the presentation before. It doesn't have any difference from the previous page. The first is the display image. This is the image of the shoes from before. There is a 2 button, the previous button and the next button. If we click the previous or the next button, it will change the picture of the shoes to another side of the shoes. For the sidebar, there is a categories of the shoes, the name of the shoes, the description of the shoes, the sizes of the shoes, the stock of the shoes, and the price. There is actually a button, but my camera is on the way, so I guess I just show it on the presentation with it. There is this button. So in this related image, there is a box of difference or another shoes that displayed on the website, that if we click the detail, it will go to another detailed page. And for the footer, we just decrease the width to match the sidebar of this detail page. So the next is detail page script. First, set the slide index to 1 or the first picture, then call showDiv function to display the first image. When the user click one of the buttons will call the plusDiv function. The plusDiv function subtracts 1 or adds 1 to the slide index. The showDiv function hides all the elements with the class name active and display the element with the given slide index. If the slide index is higher than the number of elements, the slide index is set to 0, and if the slide index is less than 1, it is set to number of the elements of X length.
Okay, that's all for our presentation today, and thank you so much for your attention. We are grateful for everyone here to listen to our project. We can hope that you can find something useful from our presentation. Thank you very much for your attention, and we highly appreciate any feedback or criticism you have given to us today. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.